song.
Working clothes, got a weekend come. Now is the time we're going to have fun, and we're gonna stand to the rising sun. Yeah, 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 yeah. We work hard on Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday. Work hard on Thursday and Friday and payday. If Friday and payday, that means it's a rave day. Dibby do body.
I just work for me money and hustle for me money. Every day I get up, I just work. From a day me left school, say the mic and my tools, and I wanna take the run for jerk. Now the weekend come, me and the girls have fun. I go and tear off them clothes and skirts. I go and polish my shoes, make them shine and crisp, and put on my brand new shirt. Chop!
Watch all the girls them on the parade. Clothes them away so you're the tailor-made. Some a drink wine, some a drink lemonade. It's all the weekend race, so sing along. Take off your working clothes, got a weekend come. Now is the time we're going to have fun, and we're gonna stand to the rising sun. Yeah, 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 yeah. We work hard on Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday. Work hard on Thursday and Friday and payday. If Friday and payday, that means it's a rave day. Dibby do body.
5 days a week, them work me like slave. On Fridays that I have to get paid. Weekend comes, so I decide to rave. Go into a dance, upon the parade. Get me a cut and take a quick shave. Buy champagne and a bag of high grade. Set a nice girl, I'ma smile and wave. If I'm lucky, said I might get laid.
Take off your working clothes, got a weekend come. Now is the time we're going to have fun, and we're gonna stand to the rising sun. Yeah, 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 yeah. We work hard on Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday. Work hard on Thursday and Friday and payday. If Friday and payday, that means it's a rave day. Dibby do body.
One going out to all the people that work hard all week. Weekend come, it's your song. Well, it's a weekend, raving and not going home till the morning. Love to see the people them skunking, drink so much till their head spin. So give it the next rhythm. Love to see the DJ him flexing. What a weekend, nice and exciting, and not going home till the morning. So
watch all the girls them on the parade. Clothes them away so you're the tailor-made. Some a drink wine, some a drink lemonade. It's all the weekend race, so sing along. Take off your working clothes, got a weekend come. Now is the time we're going to have fun, and we're gonna stand to the rising sun. Yeah, 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 yeah. We work hard on Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday. Work hard on Thursday and Friday and payday. If Friday and payday, that means it's a rave day. Dibby do body. Take off your working clothes, got a weekend come. Now is the time we're going to have fun, and we're gonna stand to the rising sun. Yeah, 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 yeah. We work hard on Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday. Work hard on Thursday and Friday and payday. If Friday and payday, that means it's a rave day. Dibby do body.
One going out to all the people that work hard all week. Weekend come, it's your song.
Take off your working clothes, got a weekend come. Now is the time we're going to have fun, and we're gonna stand to the rising sun. Yeah, 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 yeah. We work hard on Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday. Work hard on Thursday and Friday and payday. If Friday and payday, that means it's a rave day. Dibby do body.
I just work for me money and hustle for me money. Every day I get up, I just work. From a day me left school, say the mic and my tools, and I wanna take the run for jerk. Now the weekend come, me and the girls have fun. I go and tear off them clothes and skirts. I go and polish my shoes, make them shine and crisp, and put on my brand new shirt. Chop!
Watch all the girls them on the parade. Clothes them away so you're the tailor-made. Some a drink wine, some a drink lemonade. This are the weekend race, so sing along. Take off your working clothes, got a weekend come. Now is the time we're going to have fun. And we're gonna stand to the rising sun. Yeah, 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 yeah. We work hard on Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday. Work hard on Thursday and Friday and payday. If Friday and payday, that means it's a rave day. Ribby-dibby-doo body. 5 days a week, then work me like slave. On Fridays, that I have to get paid. Weekend comes, so I decide to rave. Go into a dance, upon the parade. Get me a cut and take a quick shave. Buy champagne and a bag of high grade. Set a nice girl, I'ma smile and wave. If I'm lucky, said I might get laid. Take off your working clothes, got a weekend come. Now is the time we wait.